show up.
Who has never budged from taking up unconventional and challenging roles.
I stay. What do you think of that?
The winner of 5 Golden Globe Awards.
Mr. Salman, Minister Salman, thank you so much for your presence and being here. I'd also like to share this honor with the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, the Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Mr. Anurag Thakur, and my good friend who's brought me all the way here, Shalindra Singh, for inviting me to take part in this year's celebration. Thank you. It's an honor to stand before all of you tonight and receive the Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award. I'm humbled to join a precarious and prestigious group of past award recipients. Ray personified what it means to be a world-class filmmaker. His films represent not only the triumphs of the Indian film industry, but the boundless potential of cross-cultural artistic expression. And with everything going on in our world today, this festival is a reminder of the magic of movie making. When you've worked in the movie business for as long as I have, it becomes clear that cinema is one of the few mediums that has the power to unite and transform us. It transcends divisions, whether that be geography, race, language, or even time. When a film touches us on a personal level and makes us laugh, cry, or rejoice, it reveals our shared humanity. And today, our global language of cinema is more meaningful than ever. So before I leave you, I want to take a moment to acknowledge some of the people who laid the foundations for my career. The achievement is as much theirs as it is mine. First, to my earliest mentors, the talented filmmakers, countless crew members and technicians,